So good afternoon everyone, I'm Joshua Basilad and I will demonstrate to you on how to determine the condition of a dry cell using a multimeter. So to determine the condition of the battery, first we calibrate our multitester. Make sure that the pointer will reach the zero. But my multimeter has a problem in calibrating. So we will just adjust it in checking the voltage of the battery. So in checking the battery, we move the switch knob to DCV. I chose 2.5 because our battery has 1.5 voltage. 1.5 voltage. So let's start to test it. Then in reading, it will be read between 0 to 250. Just put a point to become the 250 will become 2.5, 200 will become 2.0, and so on and so forth. So our pointer reached to 1.5, but since my multimeter has a problem, so our reading is 1.25 volts.